Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I would like to explain to you another Ping's functionality, which is called the repeating recurring tasks. So the tasks that we want to be reminded about on a regular basis. So it can be with or without a deadline depending on your needs. How does that work? Let's make a task. Let's say that we want to be reminded about a dentist appointment on a regular basis. So we create a task, go to the dentist, and we click enter. And there you have an option when. You click here and you have an option add repeating. You click here and let's say that we want to be reminded about it, maybe not every week, that will be too often, but every year. January works fine for me. And on the 1st of January, great. So we leave it like this. Of course, we can choose like any other month if we wish so. And here we choose an option no deadline because actually we don't need a deadline in this case. Like if the time comes, we can decide to make this appointment or not to make one. It's up to us. So there is no deadline required, just a reminder that we need to get. So we click save and this task goes to a newly opened no earlier than tab with all the repeating tasks presented here in the list. So if the time comes and the 1st of January, comes, your task will go to new things, this tab. And you will have a possibility whether you want to make this appointment or not. There is another option of tasks that you want to be repeated about with a deadline. So let's say that you want to be reminded every single month to pay your bills. So we create a task like this. We click enter. Oh, sorry. Let's move to this today tab, let's say, or any other tab as a matter of fact. And let's create the same case, so we add repeating and we create a reminder. So let's say that we want to be reminded about it every month on the first day of each month, and here we have a deadline because our bills need to be paid, let's say, until the 10th day of each month. So we say that the final deadline will be in like 10 days. So you get the first reminder on the first day of each month, and the final deadline to pay your bills is the 10th of each month. So we click save, and again, your task goes to no earlier than, but in this case, because this is a task with a deadline, when there is like 7 days before your final deadline, it will go to the soon tab. And then when the day comes, so there is this 10th day of the month, it will go to the today tab. So this is how it looks in the advanced mode. If you want to see how it looks in the simple mode, you can have all these tasks as well. So we just unclick actually this mode, and we go to the simple one when all of your tasks are in one place, basically. And let's give it just a second. And as you can see, you can also see the no earlier than tab where all of your tasks are here. So for example, in the case of the paying the bills, if the deadline comes, it will also move to the new things tab. So basically that's all there is to it. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to see other videos and other tutorials. I wish you a very good day and see you next time. Bye!